Section 14. Technology, Convenience, and Modern Money Traps. Modern technology makes spending fast, invisible, and emotionally disconnected from consequences. Subscriptions, one-click buying, and payment apps quietly encourage overspending. This section explains how convenience is designed to reduce friction and financial awareness. You will learn how to use technology without letting it control your wallet. Technology, convenience, and modern money traps. Number 296. Letting apps and auto-renewals drain your account. Companies count on you for getting subscriptions. Audit accounts every few months and cancel aggressively. Convenience should not become a silent tax. Number 297. Using buy now pay later for everyday purchases. Splitting payments makes spending feel painless while debt quietly stacks. If you cannot afford it, now delay it. Convenience today becomes cluttered bills tomorrow. Number 298. One-click buying without thinking. Removing friction removes financial judgment. Slow down purchases and add waiting periods. Speed is great for delivery, not decisions. Number 299. Letting algorithms influence spending choices. Ads are designed to trigger impulse, not wisdom. Recognize when you are being nudged to buy. Awareness protects your wallet. Number 300. Financing small purchases over time. Tiny items stretched into payments create big financial messes. Avoid turning snacks and gadgets into monthly obligations. Short-term wants should not become long-term bills. Number 301. Ignoring digital budget tools that could help. Technology can help manage money if you actually use it. Choose simple tools and check them weekly. Information only helps when acted on. Number 302. Letting payment apps replace real budgeting. Apps move money, they do not manage behavior. Budgeting still requires choices and discipline. Technology cannot fix avoidance. Number 303. Saving passwords on shared devices. Financial access should be private and protected. Shared devices increase risk of fraud and mistakes. Convenience should not invite identity theft. Number 304. Ignoring identity theft protection. Data breaches are common and recovery is painful. Freeze credit and monitor accounts regularly. Prevention beats cleanup every time. Number 305. Using public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. Open networks invite hackers. Avoid banking and shopping on unsecured connections. Free internet is not worth stolen accounts. Number 306. Trusting financial apps without understanding fees. Some apps make money by quietly charging you. Read fee structures before linking accounts. Free often means you are the product. Number 307. Letting smart devices encourage overspending. Voice orders and auto purchases remove spending awareness. Add confirmation steps so convenience does not bypass judgment. Number 308. Ignoring data privacy when shopping online. Your data fuels marketing machines that sell you more. Limit data sharing and review permissions. Protect your attention and your wallet. Number 309. Chasing online deals that trigger extra spending. Discounts often lead to buying things you never plan to purchase. Saving money on things you do not need is still wasting money. Number 310. Letting notifications drive financial decisions. Alerts are designed to interrupt your thinking. Turn off unnecessary shopping and finance notifications. Quiet minds make better choices. Number 311. Using subscription bundles without evaluating usage. Bundles hide waste behind convenience. Review what you actually use and cut the rest. Simplicity saves money. Number 312. Ignoring scam warnings and security updates. Updates exist because threats evolve. Skipping them invites problems. Security negligence can be financially devastating. Number 313. Trusting online reviews without verifying sources. Fake reviews sell bad products fast. Cross-check sources before spending. Skepticism saves cash. Number 314. Letting technology make spending invisible. Digital payments hide the pain of spending. Track totals regularly so money stays real. Invisible spending is dangerous spending. Number 315. Assuming convenience is always worth the cost. Sometimes convenience steals both money and independence. Choose when speed is worth paying for. Every shortcut has a price.